Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use OneNote, the Microsoft OneNote, for your productivity, for note any important thing for your study or for anything you want. So this is actually a beginner friendly tutorial. So I'm going to show and discuss about each and every feature, every tools about this OneNote. So this actually offered by Microsoft, and you can find it in Microsoft 365. So you can buy it to get the premium version of OneNote. So premium version will help you to unlock more potentiality to describe your note and actually organize your note more proficiently and more in pro way. So from here you can see I'm on my OneNote. So you can search for OneNote, or you can go to the Microsoft 365 to get access about over your OneNote. So make sure that you have a Microsoft account, so you can connect your Microsoft account with your OneNote. So this actually the notebook, it will appear like notebook. From here you can see the my notebook here. So first we're going to add a notebook here. So here is add section. So you can simply click on OneNote, and you can simply click on this add page here. So you can simply click here or hit enter to create a new page here. So let me add a page here. Right now it's not responsive. I don't know why, but I'm going to use my OneNote application. So let me show you OneNote application here. So we can going to open that OneNote application. So it is pretty much cool here. So you can add them. So here you can see seeing that actually sheet here. So image of the sheet, so you can add an image here. So I'm going to delete that image from here. So if you have question that how I deleted that, you can just select that image and you can hit that backspace button or delete button to delete that image from here. So here is all of things that here you can find. It is actually a notebook here. So I'm going to create a new notebook for you. So from here, new section here. So here is untitled page here. So you can name this page here. So I'm going to simply click on that, right click on the mouse on hovering this name here. So I'm going to rename it like anything like report. So here you can see report, and you can note anything from here. Like I'm going to add some, this is a report for how to simple text. So that's how you can add them, and you can actually edit them. If you have select that texture, you can edit them by this. You can select that texture, or you can simply right click on that mouse on anywhere in your this board here. This is actually a board where you can just add your note here. So you can select your text font here. There's different types of text font here. So I'm going to select the Times New Roman. So where it is, here it is, Times New Roman. So we are going to now type something. So we can type anywhere in this board. You can actually add text in anywhere in this board. So I'm going to add that hello guys. So we are going to change, if you want to change a specific sentence or text's font style, so you can find it here. You can say just select that font style, and here you can see it has just changed. Now from here you can change the font size here. So I'm going to increase the size a little bit like this. So you can also select that, and or also right click on that board here. Then you can change the heading, the text size here. You can make it heading 1, 2, 3, or you can add the page title here. So I'm going to make it a heading 1 or set for backslash. Now if you know the key shortcut, the keyboard shortcut, then you can easily access them. Actually, let me explain you in shortcut that Ctrl plus C is for let me show you. Ctrl and plus C is for copy your text, and if you want to cut a text here, for that you have to enter the Ctrl plus X, and if you want to paste that text here, so you have to type Ctrl plus V and Ctrl plus A for selecting all of your text in that board here. So if you click on Ctrl plus Z, so it will undo your changes, and if you type Ctrl plus Y, then it will redo your changes again. So that's how you can use that note here as like the other platforms with your key shortcut. Now from here, let me explain the rest of things. Like you can align them, you can make it at the right, total right or total left. Here you can make it a checkbox. Here you can add checkbox, you can add more like star. You can find different types of text that you can add, like to-do list, important, question, highlight, contact and address. You can add a phone number, so you can simply click on it, so it will appear the phone icon on here if you're saving the phone numbers. Then from here you can make it bold here, so I'm going to select it and you can make it bold like this. You can make that text bold, you can make it italic, you can add underlines here. Also you can select the background here, so that like this. I'm going to add some background here, or I'm going to add this like this background here. So I'm going to select it, and here this yes, that's the background. Or you can change the text color from here. You can change to any color. That actually there is a color box, whole color box, and you can find more colors by tap on this more color, and you can find different types of color. All of color are available that you can use for your text. So that's how you can simply do it. You can add some bullet mark here, a bulleted list, and icon here that you can use. Also you can use the number list, and there's a type of number list that you can use also. It's pretty cool, right? And you can also do something. Now let me explain you this navigation section where you can find the file. So from here you can find all of your files, and you can create a new one by simply click on this new, or you can click on open to open your recent files, and you can save that file from here by save a copy, or you can print it, or you can share it, or you can export it if you want. So you can download them. You can simply click on export, and here you can download it to your file manager from here. And also you can send it to anyone by email, as a attachment on email, as a PDF, or as a Word file, or send to blog if you want. So and from here you can find a home section here where you can find all of that controls that already I have showed to you. So you can find that here. So you can make all of these changes for your text here. So from here you can find insert button. So here you can insert tables. You can adjust the liner space here, and also you can attach for some file. You can get a printout here. You can add some spreadsheet if you want. So you can add your existing spreadsheet, or you can get a new spreadsheet. Like simply click on that, and here you can see okay. So here you can see it has just added a spreadsheet where you can edit that by simply click on that. And also just like this you can add some spreadsheets like this, and you can also insert some spreadsheet, and then you can add some screen clipping. You can add some pictures. You can add it from your files, or you can use your camera if you have a camera attached with your PC. Then you can get it from online. You can get some page template here. So here is you can find a drop down button. From here you can find different types of template that you can use. For example, randomly if I choose that, so it will just appear like this. Save as card here, not a default. Save. So enter a name of for the template. So first we have to name it. So like this, we can add some templates here, or we can just undo that. So that's how you can just add some text here, add some template here for your this board here. And also you can add some links by tap on this link button, or you can add some date, time, and date and times. You can also add some symbols if you want so, and you can simply click on more symbols. That is pretty much useful in some cases. Now from here is a tool, drawing tool. So you can draw something if you want. So like this, I have just added this. So just like this, you can draw anything. So if I draw something like what I should draw, there's nothing in my mind actually. So we can just draw. I'm not good at drawing. So here if I draw something like YouTube play button here, so forgive me for my bad drawing. So just like this, you can draw anything and you can insert that drawing from here. So also you can get some history, that you can find your recycle bin where you can find all of your deleted notes here. And here is some reviewing, so you can review your spelling. If there's any mistake, then it will show you the mistakes here. Then treasures, what mean the treasures here, you can find the symbols from here. And you can find the quick accessibility, translate, you can translate the language from here. For example, translate the selected text, you can select it and it will just translate it in your different language. There is different language available here. So that's how you can easily use that OneNote on your system. It's very easy and pretty much useful for productivity, for study, for planning, or for reporting anything. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.